Let's try a 1,000-year-old egg. It's almost see-through at this point. It kind of reminds me of that scene from Jurassic Park. It just smells like rotten seafood. I don't know. So it's basically an egg that's been preserved in a compound of salt, water, and tea leaves. And although it's called a 1,000-year egg, it hasn't been sitting in there for that long. I think it's only for a few months. And then the duck egg turns into this. Let's slice this open, see what it's like on the inside. It's a bit gooey. It has a lot of interesting colors. It's a bit amber, dark green, gray, some black, but let's see what this tastes like. I don't know if I should try to tackle the whites or maybe the yolk first. Let me try the whites. Well, it's not white anymore, but that area. It tastes like a normal egg. Okay, so now the yolk looks interesting. Let's see what this tastes like. It tastes almost the same. It smells really different. It does not smell like an egg, so that's what's kind of throwing me off. There's a slight difference in taste with the yolk. I don't know what that is. It's a weird mouthfeel. It's almost like it's a bit numbing, but it's not. I'm assuming that's the flavor from the tea leaves. I honestly thought this was going to taste quite bad, but it doesn't. It's pretty much a normal egg with a slight hint of something rotten. I don't know, but it's not that bad. I remember seeing people eating a aged black egg, and I think this was it. And for them, it was disgusting, but this is almost like a normal egg. Especially the whites, it's like the same thing. So there you have it, 1,000-year duck egg, preserved duck egg, whatever you want to call it. It's good. It's almost like a normal egg with a hint of some sort of numbness and a rotten smell. I would give this a 6.7 out of 10. It's not bad.